Hello guys, my name is Jeff, and today I'm going to be coding a rock, paper, scissors game in JS Fiddle. So first of all, we need all the divs. So now that we have all of the necessary components, I can, so if I click quick run, nothing will pop up because these divs aren't defined. So let's define them in CSS. Okay, so this looks pretty good. So now let's do the title. So now let's work on, I'm gonna show you, okay, so this is I'm gonna try to make this design, maybe make the background white instead of yellow. And so once you choose one of these, it'll take you to this one, this page. It'll say you chose rock, paper, or scissors, computer chose, and then rock, paper, or scissors, and the winner is computer or you. I'm gonna try to make it like big flashing or something. So that's my design. Okay, so now that I have done all the paragraphs, I have to stretch it out a little bit more because it doesn't really fit. Or I could just put H3 for these titles, but I don't want to. So let's do text align first to make it in the center. Okay, that looks good. So now I've got to make it so that you can choose one. So cursor is pointer, like that. So now if I hover over them, bam, bam, bam. Right now if I click on them, it doesn't do anything, but we'll change that with JavaScript code. So I'm gonna do, I added a div so that I can just get rid of the page once I'm finished with it. Now let's do document.getElement by ID for all the paper and the scissors. Okay, so I've made separate functions for each of the rock, paper, and scissors. So if they click on this one, the function rock chosen will be done. So then if they click on paper, paper chosen will be done. Scissors, scissors chosen will be done. And I made a separate function called computer choose, which is computer chooses the rock, paper, or scissors. So we have to do an array first. Okay, so this is some code that I made. This is from Geeks for Geeks, and this is my less efficient way. So as you can tell, Geeks for Geeks is way, way better. So I'm gonna be using that over here. Put it right there, like that. So I made a variable that says computer chosen, and it says the choice. I'm pretty sure. So now so I'll just put this. And I added the computer choose right here, so it chooses everything. Now I'll do this. Now I'll do this. This probably isn't the most efficient way, guys. Please comment down below if you have a more efficient way of doing this. So now we have to do another div that says page 2. So after we've done page 2, we should do this. Okay, so I've added page number 2 is chosen thing, computer chosen, and winner. Let's see if that works. It does not seem to be working. Because it doesn't have anything. So if I just do environment, should work. Yeah, okay. So here's going to be the you chose, computer chose, and yeah. And so let's do winner. If you didn't already know, I put span h1 break 1 break h1 winner computer chosen thing, so I can just add the JavaScript in there. So then I did the page 1 display block, page 2 display none. So if I run it and I click one, it goes to this page. So now let's do the JavaScript. So I did document.getElement by ID, computer chosen, inner HTML, computer chosen. So that changes the inner HTML of computer chosen right here, this span. It adds stuff in there. So function winner, you chose, computer chose. That's for all the logic for who wins. But for right now, it works. Computer chosen rock, computer chosen paper, and I can just choose. It doesn't know it. Yeah, see, it's random. It's random. So let's do you choose. So now if we choose one, it'll say rock. We chose rock. We chose rock, obviously. We chose scissors. I have found my mistake. For the add event listener, I put add event listener two paper 2 times, and that was my mistake. So now let's fix that, and instead put the scissors like that. So it should work now. Yeah, there we go. And paper should work, and rock should work. Cool. So now let's send that data to this function. Okay, hear me, hear me out. Okay, look. So if you like chose rock is equal to 1, paper is equal to 2, scissors is equal to 3, okay? If you chose rock, 1, and the computer chose scissors, 1 is not greater than 3. But, so it'll just move on. So, 1 is less than 3, right? So, so you have it, okay, hold on. So you chose is, if you chose is equal to 1, um, you have to, let's put this up here. Hear me out. Okay. So, okay, if you chose is equal to 1, you won. Because you chose rock. And the computer chose either paper or scissors. Wait. Let's just see. Let's just see. Okay. Rock, paper 1. Okay. Paper, rock, paper 1. Okay. Scissors and rock. Okay, let's see. So you chose 3, computer chose 1. 3 is equal to 1. If computer chose 1, wait, what? Okay, so I put an else right here. I don't know if that'll work. We'll see. Okay, his computer chose rock. He chose scissors. Rock should have. Okay, 1 is not greater than 3. So that's out. 1 is not greater than 3. So then, else if 1 is less than 3, is that an else also? Let's see. At this point, it's just me testing, and it was going fine until, obviously, paper 1 though. Okay, 1 is not greater than 2, else if 1 is less than 2, if you chose 1, okay, I think I've done it. So I press run. Rock 1, I guess, and paper 1. So that's it. All I have to do is, right here, in this if statement, inside of the greater than 1, yeah, you just have to do if computer chose 1 and you chose 3, uh, and everything doesn't change. And you just add another one here also. I'll put the link to this fiddle in the description below if you want to use it. But first, let's change this to computer or you. Scissors and rock, you won. So okay, that's it. I've coded it. Here it is. Here's all the code. It took me 60, 31, and 40 lines of code to do this. And I didn't even style it that much. This is just blank piece of paper. So if you want to see, I'll leave the link to this fiddle in the description below. So if you want to see how it works, it took me a long time. It took me like 2 hours to make, but I mean, it's fine. This is an experience, you know. This is cool. This is cool making it. That's the end of this video. If you watched until the end, that means you liked the video. So you should smash the like button and smash the subscribe button, because why not? Why wouldn't you do it? There's literally no reason why not. Why not to do it? You'll help me. You'll help yourself because you like this content, because you watched until the end. So, without further ado, goodbye.